a massive universal credit shake-up is coming in April 2026 that will create clear winners and losers, and millions of claimants have no idea what's about to hit them. Here's the shocking truth. Whilst some people will gain £725 extra by 2029, others will lose over £200 monthly. This isn't speculation, it's now official law after the Universal Credit Act 2025 received Royal Assent. Before we reveal who wins and who loses, please hit that like button, subscribe for crucial benefit updates, and share your concerns about these changes in the comments below. You're in the right place to understand exactly what's happening with Universal Credit from April 2026 onwards. In this video, we're going to give you 3 critical changes that will affect nearly 4 million households across the UK. By the end, you'll know whether you're a winner or loser under these reforms, what protections exist, and how the health element is being completely restructured. And I'll share a special insight at the end about protecting your payments if you have severe conditions. The first major change is the permanent above-inflation increase to the standard allowance, and this is genuinely significant for people without health conditions. Starting from April 2026, the Universal Credit Standard Allowance will rise above inflation every single year until 2029. For a single person aged 25 or over, this means an extra £725 annually by 2029 compared to 2025 rates. According to the Institute for Fiscal Studies, this represents the highest permanent real terms increase to the main rate of out-of-work support since 1980. That's over 40 years of cuts and freezes being reversed. The DWP estimates this will benefit approximately 3.9 million families who don't currently receive the health element, giving them an average gain of £265 per year by 2029. This is designed to make the basic rate more adequate for covering essential living costs. However, here's the catch. This increase only helps people who aren't sick or disabled, because the second change completely transforms the landscape for those with health conditions. The second change is the controversial health element reduction, and this one's genuinely worrying for future claimants. From April 2026, anyone making a new universal credit claim who qualifies for the health element will receive just £50 per week instead of the current £97 weekly. That's nearly half the current amount being slashed overnight. Over a year, new claimants with health conditions will lose approximately £2,440 compared to what people get now. The DWP says this addresses perverse incentives that drive people into dependency, but charities strongly disagree. Thomas Lawson, CEO of Turn 2 US, stated that halving the health element will increase hardship and mean even more people going without essentials. The Institute for Fiscal Studies calculates that 2.25 million families currently receiving the health element will lose an average of £500 per year by 2029. But wait, there's crucial protection for existing claimants and specific groups. Number 3 explains who's protected from these cuts, and this information could save people thousands of pounds. All existing recipients of the Universal Credit Health element before April 2026 will keep their higher payments indefinitely. The cuts only affect new claims made after April 2026. Additionally, 3 specific groups are completely protected even for new claims: people with 12 months or less to live under special rules for end of life, individuals meeting the severe conditions criteria, and approximately 200,000 people with the most severe lifelong conditions who have no prospect of improvement. These protected groups will receive the higher Universal Credit Health payment that rises at least in line with inflation every year from 2026 through 2029. That is, They're also exempt from reassessment, meaning they can live with dignity and security without constantly proving their conditions. The severe conditions criteria covers conditions like advanced Parkinson's disease, severe learning disabilities, terminal illnesses, and other irreversible health issues. If someone meets this criteria, they'll receive the combined standard allowance plus the full health element rising with inflation annually. The government is also introducing the new right to try guarantee, removing fear of reassessment when disabled people try working. From 2026, trying work won't trigger a reassessment for universal credit, personal independence payment, or other disability benefits, and this is backed by £3.8 billion investment in tailored employment, health and skill support. Here's that special insight I promised. If someone has a severe, lifelong condition, they should ensure they're assessed under the severe conditions criteria before April 2026. Getting this designation now protects them from future cuts and exempts them from reassessments. Many people don't realise they might qualify for this protection. Now, if you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more crucial universal credit updates. These changes represent the biggest welfare reform in decades, so make sure you're subscribed to understand how they affect your payments.